and welcome back to Vlogmas Day 13. I'm really excited about this one because I'm going to show you my advent calendar. I made this for myself last year and it's with Valence cut files. So basically this sheet, this top is a cut file. You can see the doors open. There's frames and things that are included, and then each one, I think you can see, is a matchbox and they're all glued in. And then it's on another piece of scrapbook paper, and then washi goes all the way around the edge to cover up the sides of the matchboxes, and then I added some ribbon. It's pretty simple to make, and then I added a lot of decoration because that's what I like. But what I really want to talk to you about today is what I've put in the boxes. I've put little notes to myself. They're self-care notes. I want to make sure that I take care of me during Christmas because this season for me is super busy, super stressful, and I don't want to get burnt out like I have in other years. Now you're probably thinking, Kara, it's the 13th of December. I'm not going to make an advent calendar that's going to last for 11 days. That's okay. I just wanted to show you this because maybe you want to do this next year, or maybe you're seeing this next year and you have time. But that's not the whole point. The point is I want you to take care of yourself. And I'm going to show you some of the things inside these boxes, and then that may give you ideas of how to take care of yourself. My challenge for you today is to make a list of, well, depending on what day you're seeing this, but if you're seeing this on the day it goes live, 13, so you have 11 days, make a list of 11 things, simple things that you can do to take care of yourself during this busy season. I'm going to show you some of the things that I've already done, and I've repeated them. So you don't have to come up with 11 different things. You can come up with 6 and do them twice. You can come up with 4 and do them 3 times. So I have book and tea. So what I'll do is I'll set a timer for 15-20 minutes, sit down with a cup of tea and my current book and read. That's a good one. I haven't actually done this one. I skipped this day, which naughty me, but do a Blogilates stretch video. I always do her exercise ones and I look at the stretch ones, but I never do them. So this is one I want to do. So I've actually put it back in today's, and I hopefully will get to that later on tonight. Light a candle, which is yesterday's, I think. Take a bath, which is always relaxing. There's another book and tea. Oh, there's another one. They're not in order. I didn't put them next. This one, eggnog. Outlander. Every Monday is Outlander. There's another book and tea. So I put a lot of these in. And some of them, like the Outlander one, will be once a week. But this one I think is twice a week. There's another eggnog. There's another lighted candle. And this one is Outlander, otherwise called Jamie Time. Yeah. And Roger Time too. I like Roger. I think he's my favorite in the whole series. Okay, so now that you have a few ideas of what you can do to take care of yourself, small things just to make sure that you are taking care of yourself and you're not getting worn down. You can pry open the little doors of your chocolate one and stick it in. You can make a bunch of little notes and put the date on the top and just take them and do them as the day comes. Or you can put them in a little dish and pick one out every day. There really are a lot of possibilities. Just write it on a piece of paper and put it on your mirror. Just make sure that you are taking care of you. If you have any self-care ideas or any tips, please leave them in the comments below because some of the other people watching this video might be struggling to come up with ideas. So your idea might be the exact one that they're looking for. Another way to make sure that things don't get crazy and that you don't get overwhelmed is to take my Plan Your Christmas class. Right now you can get it for free. Big Picture Classes is giving away 30-day trial membership. All you need to do is go to the link in the description and use the code KaraChristmas. I've got all kinds of printables and things to keep you away from the overwhelm and stress of the Christmas season. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. We're over halfway through Vlogmas now, only 11 more videos, so make sure that you're subscribed so you don't miss a thing. We still have lots of Plan Your 2019 left. Tomorrow is all about your planner for 2019, so make sure you come back for that. Okay, have a fantastic day and happy planning.